Hello, welcome to the First Grade Cafe. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my Instagram photos in Lightroom and using presets from presets.com. So if you're interested in watching that, keep watching. All right, so I use an app called Lightroom. It's free, so all you have to do is go to your app store and download it, and you'll have it. So you get more features if you do have the Adobe Creative Suite or Creative Cloud, whatever it's called. Anyways, you do get more features out of that, but I use the free one and it works just fine. So after you have downloaded it, so go ahead and go download that. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you will see kind of how my photos look. And I do use presets just because it saves me tons of time. So right over here, I'll go ahead and show you guys some of my feed that I have on Instagram. But it does. Presets save you tons of time. Lightroom's great if you don't want to use the presets. It's still great because it lets you do a lot of stuff with like adjusting exposure and adjusting the white balance and all that stuff. So it does have a lot of features in it that you can use. But presets save you tons of time. So let's go ahead and jump onto the computer here, and I'm going to show you guys how I find my presets. So what I do is I go to a website called presetlove.com, and all of the presets are free. You just have to provide them your email address. If you're not interested in doing that, then don't use these. Like I said, you can go find other ones maybe, but I've been using them for quite a while. So let's go ahead. They do have one though. You can purchase all of the presets, but all the ones you do individually are free. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to all presets. I'm going to find a preset. I have quite a few presets already because I use them a lot. I do not have a black and white preset, so I was going to get one, and I think it's this one here. We'll go ahead and get this one. It is called B&W Orange Filter, and I just kind of like the way that it has that contrast, but it still kind of has some warm tones in it, but it's not so sepia kind of tone in it. So we'll go ahead and click download, and what they'll do, so I'll go ahead and type in my email address. And what they'll do is they'll send you a link. There we go. And click download. And then what they'll do is they'll go ahead and send you a link. So we are done with this part now. So you can go on and get as many presets as you want, but do remember that every time you do it, you have to put in your email address. I've never had an issue with them sending me like 50 million emails. I get usually about one a week, sometimes even less than that. And they're usually just like little advertisement saying here's a new preset for this week, and then you can just go download it. I also follow them on Instagram, and so I get free presets, but all of it has to come through this website. So just go to presetlove.com. All right, now we're going to go over to our phone, go into my email, and then there's our preset. And what you'll get is you'll get this one that says mobile.dng. That's where you're going to click at. It opens up into a website, and it'll say download. You click download and open in, and I always do copy to Lightroom. So, and then what it'll do, there it goes. Okay, so now it's copied it to Lightroom, and then you're going to click the circle with the three dots in it. You click that. You are going to click create preset, and then what was it, B and W, and I just create whatever the name. So we're going to call it B&W Orange Filter. Click the little check mark, and it is now saved. And now you can go into your thing. So let's say I pick, I don't know, this picture of me right here. And I will go over to the side, and I'll scroll over and click on presets. I will find the one that I call labeled B&W Orange Filter. Click that, and as you can see, the filter has been applied. And then if you want, you can adjust things like adjusting maybe some of the highlights and maybe adjusting some of the contrast if you want. I usually don't like to have too much contrast because it starts to get pixelated. But I do mess with the whites and the blacks a little bit. So I may bring up the whites a little bit and then bring down the blacks, which kind of makes the blacks a little darker, which gives it that contrast kind of look without adjusting the contrast. And then just keep messing around with stuff until you like it. And then once you're done, you have this little box with an arrow sticking up. Click on that and export to the camera roll. And then you are now set, and you can just upload that on to your Instagram. So that was a super quick tutorial. I'm trying to do more tutorials on this channel just because I kind of got away from it for a while and I really want to start doing them again. So that was the first one, and I'm going to try to upload them on Tuesdays, but it may not be every Tuesday, just depending on how busy my week is. But I do have like a list of tutorials I wanted to do. That was the first one. So I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, click the little bell notification to get notified of every time I post. Follow me on all the social medias listed down below. And until next time, please don't forget to always be you. Bye.